Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Fatty Kitchen. I am Chef Salman and with me is my wife Chef Zainab. Today we will tell you how to make Saudi style steamed Shawaya chicken.
The ingredients we need to prepare this recipe are 2 whole chicken, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Saudi mixed spice, 2 teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon of crushed saffron.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Cut each chicken into half. Also make some deep cuts in the chicken so that every bit of chicken gets seasoned with spices perfectly. Use gloves before starting the marination process to protect your hands. Take a bowl, add saffron, Saudi mixed spice, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix them well. Now apply the spices evenly all over the chicken with your hands.
Shwaya chicken is usually prepared on a rotating steel rod inside the oven, but we are making steamed Shawaya chicken with Kabsa rice. Make sure to preheat the oven at 185 degrees. Place 2 layers of aluminum foil on a pot filled with uncooked Kabsa rice. For Kabsa rice recipe, the link is given in description. Make some holes in the foil with the help of a fork or skewer. Place the chicken over the foil and put the pot inside the oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Time duration may vary depending on the size of the oven.
Now that 1 hour and 15 minutes have passed, we are going to check if the chicken is cooked. You can see that the color of the chicken has turned to golden brown. It is almost like 85% cooked. We will put it in the oven for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are going to take the pot out from the oven. As we can see that our steamed Shwaya chicken is perfectly cooked and is ready to be served with Kabsa rice. Do try this recipe with Kabsa rice. For Kabsa rice recipe, the link is given in the description. Please go check it out. Share it with your friends and family. Let us know in the comment section how much you like this recipe. Like, share,
and subscribe to our channel
for more amazing recipes, and don't forget to press the
bell icon.